Here we have an '09 Ford Focus, and we have a common ignition problem. I'm just going to give y'all a quick little video to test to see if this is the problem with your vehicle. Now the problem is when you turn the key forward, everything lights up, ready to go, but it don't start. Click the key, nothing. This happens on Ford Focuses, Expeditions 08 to 2012, I believe. And it's a common problem. A quick check to see if this problem is your problem before you go and spend $600-700 on a module or a fuse box that you don't need, whatever Ford wants to charge you for. Just come over here to the ignition switch, turn it to start, turn it forward to the start position, and then push it towards the car, or towards the console. If you do that one more time, turn to the start position, then push towards the car. Maybe give it a little jiggle too when you're in there. If it starts, then your problem's going to be inside the ignition switch itself. Either the cylinder is too worn out, or the ignition module inside here that the cylinder meets is too worn out, and they're not making contact. It's a quick little check to see if that's your problem. I hope it helps. I mean, it eliminates one of the issues there. Just to check for. Y'all take it easy.